Guys, ni come, curious apa benar-benar ni. Pasal ni, the GWM Aura Good Cat ni yang pernah dilancarkan di Brunei Smart Mobility Expo baru-baru ni. Alright, so kereta ni kena cari a good investment. Pasal satu, ia electric vehicle, and kedua, ia boleh berjalan sehingga 400 km. Why don't we test this car? Bukan saja di Brunei, bukan saja di Blyth, bukan saja Tutong, but we're going to Miri, Malaysia. Alright? Bukan nanti, right now, awalan ni, come. Well, this is the car yang sudah sedia untuk kita ni perjalanan ke Miri, and this is what I'm gonna use. And guys, again, warna pink. Pink. Untuk teman-teman kita, ini adalah ujian untuk mencuba GWM Aura Good Cat ini. Perjalanan sebuah kereta elektrik sama ada sampai ke sana tanpa mengecas di mana-mana. Alright. So ini challenge kami untuk GWM yang akan mengambil at least 130 lebih kilometer menuju ke Miri.
GWM Aura Good Cat atau dikenali sebagai Hamau adalah sebuah kereta jenis tenaga elektrik dihasilkan baru oleh Great Wall Motor di bawah jenama Aura mereka sejak November 2020. Aura Good Cat ditampilkan buat kali pertama pada Chengdu Auto Show pada 24 Julai 2020 dengan reka bentuk retro yang direka khas oleh bekas pereka Porsche Emmanuel Derta. Sejak itu, kereta tersebut dipasarkan bukan saja di China, bahkan di Thailand, Eropah, dan negara-negara lainnya dikenali sebagai Funky Cat. Kereta ini mempunyai perjalanan sejauh 400 km pada NEDC standard dari 47.8 kW lithium-ion phosphate battery. Motor elektrik yang diletakkan di bahagian depan menghasilkan kuasa sebanyak 141 kuasa kuda dengan 210 Nm torque. Bukan saja mempunyai reka bentuk yang cantik, cute, seolah-olah seperti kucing, bahkan dari segi keselamatan menerima 5 bintang Euro NCAP.
Awal-awal sekali full charge tu is around 390 km range perjalanan. But now kami halfway melimpasi Jurudong, kami menuju ke Tutong untuk chill di sana sekejap. Sudah mengambil 366 km. Yang remainingnya tu 366 km. So far it's good, still good, and we'll keep on going for now. Alhamdulillah, kita pun sampai ke daerah Tutong. There, you can see the icon di sana, Sungai Tutong. Kami pakai Aura Cat ini, baterinya tinggal is around 345 dari bandar kemari. I'm not alone, okay? You can see dia ada Aura Good Cat di sini with the team. Sini, this is DB Masa Adep, and of course Mr. Jin dari channel Jin here. Also sama-sama kami membuat liputan for this test dari bandar Tutong Blyth ke Miri direct, alright, without any charging. So Dip, what do you think about this trip so far lah?
I'm really excited. Consider it's my first experience lah pakai kereta elektrik to Miri. It's really a comfy journey lah. Motor juga macam mana capability-nya driving jauh pakai elektrik car.
This is the first time we're using EV to go Miri. Usually we use petrol car, right? Yeah. The interior is very nice. It feels like a luxurious car, and a leather seat, and a very old school car, which I love it very much. Yeah.
Mampukah kereta ini sampai ke Miri dengan pada masa ini hanya tinggal 300 lebih kilometer saja lagi?
Kalau by the numbers macam ragu-ragu pulang, tapi we'll see. Tadi lihat lah.
I think I'm confident. This car is because now from Bandar until Tutong, I think we only use a bit of the battery. It's still fully charged, right?
Alright, so now jam menunjukkan pukul 9.05, which is 9 pagi. Dan range pada masa ini hanya 250 km tinggal sahaja untuk kami menuju sampai ke Miri without any charging. Alhamdulillah kami sudah hampir mencapai Kuala Belait. Okey, untuk maklumat, menambah terus soalan-soalan yang ada oleh public menanya pasal one thing. Kenapa dipanggil sebagai GWM Ora Good Cat? Kenapa ya Ora Good Cat itu? Ora tu bermakna dalam bahasa Sepanyol, artinya hello. Okey, hello. And then hello tu macam kira memberi satu apa, macam hi, you know, happy lah, kesenyuman, kegembiraan. And the other thing is, petanda kereta ni is exclamation mark. Kenapa ya exclamation mark tu? Is because dia menunjukkan satu surprise. Macam surprise, you know, macam itulah. Now, what is Ora Good Cat ni ya? Kenapa ya Good Cat ni lagi namanya ni? Because according to ni diorang ambil quote dari Deng Xiaoping, bekas pengerusi Presiden China. Ia beritahu yang kucing itu yang menangkap tikus, alright, iaitu consider as a good cat, you know, kucing yang baik. Alright, dan artinya tu bukan itu saja. Di sebaliknya, ekonomi yang baik artinya pasaran pun, ekonomi dalam penjualan kereta apapun consider baik. And now, kenapa GWM mengeluarkan kereta-kereta EV? Masa ini pembangunan kereta-kereta EV semakin meningkat, bukan saja di negara Eropah, but ia akan menuju ke ASEAN. So now pasaran ASEAN dinaikkan. So that's why negara China membesarkan, memperluaskan lagi jualan-jualan kereta EV.
Kenapa tadi ke stesen minyak ni?
Mesti panas bro, mesti minyak. Jalanan kita ni ke sana.
Bro, what do you mean? This is an electric car.
Lupa kok. Aduh. Ada pengejaman juga dulu.
Biasa sudah ni.
Aduh. Alhamdulillah kita ni pun melepasi immigration Sarawak, Malaysia. So we are now di Miri. Destination sudah sejauh mungkin 100 lebih sudah. And yang tinggal remaining, yang penting ni, remaining battery perjalanan hanya tinggal 209 km, which is not bad. 200 km yang tinggal ni dapat berjalan jauh lagi ni actually-nya. But selagi belum sampai ke charging station yang kami akan tuju ni, selagi itu belum sah. Ni orang katanya belum sah. So once kita ni sampai sini, I hope that charging station ni dapat mengecas kereta Ora Good Cat ni. Alright, so at the moment bateri kereta dari perjalanan Brunei kemari remaining is around 180 plus, which is really good. But don't worry, since sini di Miri sudah ada charging station, we can try untuk mencharge di bawah Sarawak Energy punya charging station. So this one compatible for AC version ya. So just plug in and either you can just charge dari sana, which is touch screen, or you can just use the app, which is Charge EV. Alright, dari sini, okay, you can see Miri City Green Community Hub, which is di sini. You can just press this one, which is available at the moment, dengan kekuatan 22 kilowatt. Tekan saja, and then it's already connected. As you can see, just press start charging. To make sure it's charging, ia ada macam bergerak cuma tu. Alright, at the moment charging ini is free. pada masa ni, I don't know when ia start bayar. Alhamdulillah, thank you to Miri Malaysia juga membagi peluang untuk mencharging secara percuma for now. Alright, so since we are here, might as well we go to the hotel, relax, and biarkan dia mencharge until full. Day 1 is done. Kereta sebuah pencharging, and kami makan sebuah untuk ke hotel kami, which is the Sterling Suites, untuk berehat sekejap. We accomplish menggunakan kereta GWM Aura Good Cat dari Brunei ke Miri, Malaysia. So at the moment, the remaining battery yang ada di dalam kereta tu is around 183% left. That's a lot. Bisa kita boleh berjalan lagi kemari ni sebelum kami mencharging lagi. 180 plus is like nearly what? Suku kepada Kanabis, but still a good destination. Alright, so that's about it. We'll go for the next day 2, and for now we have a rest and makan dulu apa. And see you next day, around day 2. So we are in day 2 already dari hotel, and kami menuju untuk berjumpa dengan pemilik kereta GWM Aura Good Cat dari Kuching tu yang akan berkumpul di Miri. You can see ada di display di sini ni. You can see yang pada masa ni range tinggal 202 km. Alright. Kalau amba menekan acceleration, you can see the motor power. Maksudnya amba menggunakan 20 kilowatt perjalanan. Kalau makin amba race makin kuat ni, see? So that's how the power of the energy consume menggunakan sebagai sebuah EV. But kalau amba lepaskan, this is the technology yang ada pada masa ini. We call it the degenerate. Kalau amba lepaskan, you can see that ia become minus because actually ia akan mencharging semula. Okay, it will memakai energi, lepas tu membagi balik energi tu ke dalam bateri. Orang dah membuang energi tu. So that's why macam kereta jenis Aura Good Cat ini, it's good to use semasa perjalanan di bandar. Macam pasal di bandar ni ada perjalanannya drive brake. Bukan macam di highway. Highway acceleration saja. So ia akan consume more battery. Alright, kita sampai di Times Square di Miri. So alhamdulillah, kita ni akan berjumpa dengan beberapa wakil dari pemilik GWM Aura Good Cat yang berada di Miri pada masa ini. So we're gonna go into the light restaurant and we'll have a chit chat dengan diorang and sharing session mengenai kereta-kereta EV ni. Come.
It started off with my daughter who saw this Aura Good Cat car in TikTok. And we have 13 cats at home. So having a car that linked with cats, this is something which is a very new experience to us. So my daughter keeps on telling us about the car, and I googled the car. I fell in love until we heard that GWM was coming to Miri. So that's a test drive. So I just went there just for the test drive. I fell in love. First sight. So I immediately booked. The design is really lean, very nice. It's a combination of all the luxurious elements of different cars, different models, like Porsche, Volkswagen, Mini Cooper. So I really love it. For me, it's the cute name and the cute design itself. Make me feel a little bit cute in the car too. It's a very nice experience driving EV. This is actually my first EV. Everything is so smooth. I would say very quiet, very smooth, very convenient. So far, I'm charging my car at home. So we have the wall charger. I would say we need more charging station in Miri. So far, we have 3. One in Taman Yakin, one in Copacabana, Another one is Permai Mall. It's a surprise actually when we receive a message from GWM Brunei to meet up, because it's a very rare occasion, I would say. The team was very nice, welcoming us with everything that we have here. So it's a surprise to me.
Since kami meninggalkan semalaman, the charging for this battery kereta ni is now 100%, 400 km. So Alhamdulillah, all you need to do now is just to unlock, alright. And lepas ni, we're heading back to Brunei, Bandar Seri Begawan. And insyaAllah, ada satu lagi akan kami berjumpa, which is maybe ke Shell Recharge Charging Station untuk mengecharge kereta ni. Mencuba terus menanya sedikit sebanyak dari Brunei Shell Marketing mengenai Shell Recharge diorang. Alright, so let's go. Alhamdulillah, we reached our destination, the IBI petrol station di Lambaknya. But why we are here? Because our battery masa ni tinggal around 100 plus dari Miri ke bandar. This is a fast charger. This DC charger is really heavy, very heavy kalau untuk bini-bini. But don't worry, even though it's heavy, but this mechanical thing you can just pull, yang dapat menolong bus kita sampai at least 5 meter, okay, untuk mengecharge. So once in, I'm not sure how the technology work and all the mechanism. I think better we ask orang yang expert in this technical side from Brunei Shell Marketing.
We hope to actually work with car dealers to actually make sure the transition for your journey to EVs is actually smooth. So it starts from actually your home as well. So BSM can provide technical support to car dealers in terms of your charging requirement and also your charging requirements in the public destinations as well. That's actually to help the drivers actually know where can they actually find charging station. So before you can actually charge, you need to have, first of all, the Shell Recharge subscription card. If you are to get an EV card, you need to actually talk to your car dealers, and your car dealers will actually make a necessary arrangement with BSM for your subscription card. The steps is very easy. You will need to tap the card. Okay. You press this. Okay. And then plug the cable into the car. It's just waiting for the car to communicate with the charger, and it's ready to go.
Other than OraCat, any other EV brand can use this?
Most of the models in Brunei are actually CCS2, so I would say we will be able to serve the general EV population.
Oh, okay. It's starting, right?
Yes.
And what's that sound?
Okay, so that sound is actually the fans, the cooling fans. That's actually cooling the charger. So it actually gives you a noise when there's actually the charger is actually powering up.
So while we're talking at the moment, it's charging. You can see that it's now 18%. How strong is the kilowatt to charge this car?
So this is a HPC, high power charger. So it has a 180 kilowatt capacity. So it can charge your car as fast as, depending on your battery size and the inverter on your vehicle. Ranges from 25 minutes up to 40 to 45 minutes, depending on the models. That measurement is only from 20 to 80%. So that is the estimate that we actually tested on various vehicles.
So any plan in the future that there will be another Shell Recharge station?
Yes, there is. So just be on the lookout for more information at BSM's Instagram, so at IG, and just follow us so that you get the regular updates of Shell Recharge.
And it's already 100%. Alright, there you go. So, this is the end of our journey menggunakan GWM Aura Good Cat dari Miri ke Bandar Brunei, which is we stop here. And let me give you a conclusion mengenai the trip itu. First of all, for bis kita yang future owners of EV, yes, you can drive dari Bandar ke Miri menggunakan sebagai contoh this 47 size battery untuk menuju ke sana with 400 km. No problem because now we have the super charging stations seperti Share Recharge ini, and of course di Miri juga at some point ada charging station. The drive so far is no problem for me. I love this car. I should say I got no problem menggunakan kereta ni dari Bandar ke Miri. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you for the next car.